with another normal type video, and today is part 3 of the Diamond and Pearl base set booster pack opening. As you see in the background, I have the Empoleon Holo opened up in the first part. So I was thinking as a cool idea, featuring the best pulls that I get in this channel. Obviously I have rarer cards than this Empoleon, but I was thinking for the history of this channel, everything that I get, best pulls I will feature. I think that could be voted on by the subscribers once I get some, and they can pick or vote on which card will be featured. So we'll start with the Palkia pack. So this is the 5th pack out of 10. Still hoping for level X. So far we've gotten a holo in every pack. Well, every 2 packs, I mean, every video. Be sure to check out the other videos if you haven't. Pretty decent pulls. Alright. Card trick. Alrighty. We got a Bonsai. Focus real quick. Bonsai. A Stunky. A female Combi. Baneri. Goldeen. I always thought it was weird in the games, well, at least Super Smash Brothers, how Goldeen is the useless one, when I think it should be Magikarp. I feel like they messed up a little bit on that one. Silcoon. Nuzleaf. Dusclops. Oops. Reverse holo is a Mantike. Level 6. And for the rare, got a Weavile, non-holo. Pretty cool Pokemon. No foil or anything, but that's alright. On to the second pack. We got an Electivire pack. I was thinking, since these aren't weighed, that I might buy another 10. Definitely awesome set to open. But if you have level X, I'll probably be satisfied with that, so may not. Card trick. Alright. And Mischievous. Machop. Clefairy. Fire Energy. Roselia. Elekid. Unknown D. Staravia. Manaphy, which is a rare. I think that would be a holo. And we got a Azumarill, non-holo. So, not the best. But still got 4 more packs. So be sure to like and subscribe if you guys want more videos. Norman out.